It's fun. I haven't posted in a while, but today we're gonna do lots of different stuff. So first we're gonna collect the eggs. Looks like we have 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3, and 4 chicken eggs. Now today, we're gonna show you our new chickens. This one is Chili.
Chili.
Looks like Hey, but she's not. This. I think this is Hey, but it's not. This is Neptune.
Neptune.
And here we have Freckles.
Freckles. Hi, Freckles.
And then this one here is Mary Brown.
Hi, Mary Brown.
So you gotta clean up their pen after a while for like a week or so. It's like this is gonna be full of poop.
James is doing that. I'm going to clean out the nesting boxes.
Now we gotta clean out the sawdust.
Put down new sawdust.
You can take the bag and just tip them over, huh? Spread it with your feet. Just take the bag. No, hold on to it. There you go. Off your head.
What are you doing, Daddy?
Taking the poop off of the top of the pen.
Chickens likes to stand on the bucket and use it as a toilet.
And then we're gonna pull off the cheese food.
Fresh water and food.
Bye!